Happy Friday, fam, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. I've got more remote job leads lined up for you today, so let's jump into it. Our first role is coming from Conduent as a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote position within the United States, so no matter where you are, you can apply. For this role, it is paid training, equipment is provided, and it is full-time with benefits. The pay is $16 per hour. The training will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for 5 to 6 weeks. Once training has been completed, you will get a shift between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Monday and Thursday, and 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So for this role, what you will do, you will answer customer questions about the New Jersey Family Care Program, assist applicants and beneficiaries over the phone, document enrollment requests, complaints, and account updates, enter application information into web systems, and explain program guidelines and policies clearly to customers. What you will need is a high school diploma, customer service or call center experience, strong communication and problem solving skills, and the ability to work with diverse customers professionally. You must be able to pass a background check and drug screening. For this role, they are currently not hiring for these states, but if you are within other states and you're interested, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from SCA Health as a associate patient call representative. This is a full-time regular remote position within the United States. The pay is $19, ending at $21, which all depends on your location and your experience. For this role, it is Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what you will do in this role, you will handle inbound and outbound patient calls, answer billing and insurance-related questions. You will take patient payments and resolve account concerns, explain insurance and provide patient education, verify insurance and update patient information, as well as research missing payments, refunds, and account adjustments. You will follow up with patient voicemails within 24 hours. What they would like to see is someone with a high school diploma or GED, strong customer service experience, healthcare experience, and experience with billing, insurance verification, and call center support. So this is a great opportunity for candidates with healthcare support service or medical billing experience looking for a remote role. The link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from LabCorp as a customer service support representative. It is 10 a.m. through 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for this role, training is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Your work schedule will be Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What you will do is handle 80 plus inbound calls from patients, doctor's office, and insurance carriers, assist patients with billing questions and outstanding balances, set up payment plans for patients, research and resolve billing and insurance related issues, use multiple systems and resources while assisting customers, as well as maintain performance and productivity goals. You must have a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year of customer service experience, and strong communication and multitasking skills. You must have the ability to work in a fast-paced environment. So, if you are interested in this role, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Sharecare as a forms completion specialist. This is a full-time remote position. So what you will do in this role is complete FMLA and short-term disability forms. You will communicate with patients and physicians' office regarding paperwork, process medical records requests following HIPAA guidelines, answer incoming calls and maintain tracking logs, as well as verify patient information and manage PHI requests. You will ensure disability forms are completed within required turnaround times. For this role, you must have experience with FMLA and disability forms, at least 1 year experience in medical records, knowledge of medical terminology and medical office procedures. You must have strong Microsoft Office and Excel skills, and you must be able to type at least 50 words per minute. This is a great fit for someone with healthcare admin or Medicare records experience looking for that remote role. So if you are interested in the forms completion specialist role, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next two roles are coming from Humana. The first position is a claims research and resolution representative. This position is available in 46 locations. So if you are within those 46 locations and you're interested, the link will be in the description to apply. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this role is handle inbound calls related to healthcare claims and financial issues, research and resolve claim concerns from members, providers, and insurance companies, make outbound follow up calls when needed, document customer interaction and case updates, escalate unresolved issues and support claim investigations, and work across multiple systems while meeting quality and productivity standards. For this role, you must have at least 1 year call center or phone based customer service experience. Healthcare experience or education is required. Strong Microsoft Office and technical skills. The ability to multitask and work independently. For this role, training will run 8 weeks, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Attendance is vital for this role. So in this role, the pay starts at $40K per year, ending at $52 per year, which all depends on your location and your experience. So if you have that background in claims and this is something you're interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role from Humana is a Care Plus call center representative. This position is for candidates that live in Puerto Rico. So this is for Puerto Rico residents only. This is a full-time remote role. So what you would do in this role is handle 20 to 30 inbound calls daily from Medicare members, answer benefit questions and help resolve member issues, make outbound calls to doctors, pharmacies, and vendors when needed, document customer interactions and escalate unresolved concerns, provide compassionate customer support while maintaining confidentiality, and navigate multiple systems and manage a high volume call center. For this role, it does project to start on July the 20th. Training will be for 7 weeks, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. between those hours. So you must again live within the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico. You must be fully bilingual in English and Spanish. Also, for this role, it does pay $15.39 per hour and it is non negotiable. So, if this is something that you are interested in and you live in Puerto Rico, this link will be in the description to apply. Our last role comes from CVS as a revenue cycle biller. This position is available in 51 locations, so if you're within those 51 locations and you're interested, the link will be in the description to apply. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this role, you will bill home infusion and DME claims to insurance companies. You will review and submit patient insurance claims accurately and on time, check claim statuses through insurance portals. You will communicate with internal teams and pharmacies regarding billing issues, escalate unresolved billing concerns when needed, as well as maintain productivity and quality standards while managing multiple accounts. You must have a high school diploma, 2 years of revenue cycle, billing, or collections experience, 2 years working from home, experience with Medicare, Medicaid, and commercial insurance. You must have strong attention to detail and critical thinking skills, and you must have the ability to work independently and in a team environment. For this role, the pay starts at $17 an hour, ending at $34, which all depends on your location and your experience. So, if you have that revenue cycle billing experience and you're within those 51 locations, the link will be in the description to apply. All right, fam, those are today's remote job leads. Don't forget to like, comment which job you're applying for, and follow Remote Life with Jacq for more work from home opportunities coming your way. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend.